In this short tutorial, you will learn how to change your Play Store password. Changing your password is important for keeping your account secure. It helps protect your personal information and purchases. Follow these simple steps to change your password easily. To get started, open up the Gmail app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, look for your profile picture in the top right corner. Tap on it, and a menu will appear. From there, select Manage your Google account. This will take you to a new screen where you can see various options related to your Google account. Now that you're on this page, swipe through these options until you find Security. Tap on it. This section is crucial because it contains all security-related settings for your account. Scroll down until you see an option labeled Password. Go ahead and tap on it. Remember, your Google Play Store password is linked directly to whichever Google account you used when signing up for the store. To proceed with changing your password, you'll need to enter your current password. If by chance you've forgotten what it is, don't worry. Simply tap on Forgot Password. This option will guide you through a secure process to reset it. Once you've successfully entered your current password or reset it, it's time to create a new one. Type in your desired new password into the first text box. Make sure it's strong. Consider using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for added security. Next, retype that same new password into the second text box to confirm it. This step ensures there are no typos and that you've correctly entered what you want as your new password. After confirming both entries match perfectly, tap on Change Password. You've just updated not only your Google Play Store password but also secured access to your entire Google account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.